little Steratto. Welcome to Monterey Car Week. So this is what you see at Monterey Car Week. You got a Koenigsegg getting gas, and right across the street, not the Porsche, but a Senna. Just right there. Yep. Look at this spec. Pretty nice. Got a pretty nice F12 TDF and classic Mercy. I think it's gated too. Yep. 6-speed gated. Look at all the people here for the car spotters. Look at all these people. Yeah. Dang. Look at this Super Sport. Chiron Super Sport combo right here. Wow. Chiron Super Sport 300th edition. Got a Huayra BC, a Zonda, more Huayras, Huayra BC. Chiron. All these people. Please. And we got Mr. Horatio right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that combo right there. The spec on this car is just very unique. Yay or nay? Ford GT street parked. Pretty nice. Pretty nice screen on the Ferrari. Let's look at this lineup. 992 GT3 and a Murcielago Roadster. One of my top favorite cars. And look at the license plate, Mercy Me. Very nice. Super clean. Look at all these parking lots in the hotel.
that's a 10. That's a 10.
I would give you more if I could.
Yeah, that's like an 100. I love you. Straight 10. I mean, hurt the clutch, but. Wow, 1993, your girlfriend found my asshole.
What the? Why are you shorter than your girlfriend? 0. Come on. Whoa. Car grumps. Clear the way. Car grumps. 10 out of 10 car grumps.
Is that Devin?
Move back in. Oh, that's
a 0. What the
Look at the. Oh my God, rolling. They're gone.
Okay.
Rev it. Give it a little baby rev. Little baby one. Yeah. Oh.
CSF 10.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Dude, mixture of you, to be honest. Like 5.
I'm hungry. Let me eat that.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's crucial.
Yeah,
It's crucial. That's easy, bro.
TDF better.
Yes.
TDF better.
Yes, thank you. Tell this man. You need to tell him. I don't agree. I like your wheels. See what